Hello everyone, after a long time I am filming the video. And you know what, when I was not uploading the videos, I was regularly checking the comment section. And when I was checking the comment section, then I found most of the people who are subscribed to my channel are those who are looking for admission in a good college or students who are planning for their career after 12th probably. So I thought, why not to upload videos related to career guidance? And if you are watching me first time, then let me tell you, my name is Shreyansh Srivastav and I am a final year student of BTech Food Technology. And as I am a final year student of BTech Food Technology, I can talk about all these things very easily at this point of time. And one thing you can also do very easily, subscribe and turn on the notification if you're liking what you're seeing here. Alright, let's get started. So should we go for BTech Dairy Technology or should we go for BTech Food Technology? See, we all know that at this point of time in dairy technology, we have to read about milks, milk products, different testings and a lot more. So I'm not going to compare on the basis of these subjects because see, I know that, you know that. We may cope up with these little variations of the subject. But what next? What after BTech? What are the job opportunities that we will get? So if we are talking about the job opportunities of BTech Dairy Technology, then after BTech Dairy Technology, you will easily get a job after your BTech if you are a good student. In the case of food technology, we are having wider option. We may work in the beverage industry, we may work in the bakery industry, we may even work in the dairy industry also. So we are having wider option. Now from this you will say, food technology is better as compared to dairy technology because in food technology we are having wider option. But let me tell you, my friend, if you are having wider option, then you are having more confusion at the same time. Let's say you are an average student like me and you studied all the things related to food technology. You are having good knowledge of beverage industry, you are having good knowledge of dairy industry, but due to some reason, you are not having very good knowledge of bakery industry, and after your BTech, you are getting a job opportunity in the same industry, in the bakery industry. Then, what will happen? You will face problem in that. So we have to work very hard in food technology if you really want to perform well. We have to clear the concepts of all the industries because at the time of studying, we are not aware, we are not knowing what opportunity we will get in the future. Right? And because BTech Food Technology is so wide, students after BTech opting for MTech for the specialization, which again requires 2 years after 4 years. And when time is involved, money is also involved. So we have to invest a lot. So yes, food technology is having wider option as compared to dairy technology, but you have to keep in mind these things you cannot ignore. While in the case of dairy technology, you are clear that you have to work in the dairy industry. You are learning about those practical skills, you are learning about all the subjects, you are learning about different products. So you are clear that yes, you have to work in the dairy industry, no confusion. Now let's talk about the pay scale, how much you will earn approximately if you will opting either of the two courses. So it totally depends upon the industry to industry, but let me tell you, there will be a very slightly difference or minor difference you can say, but more or less you will get equal pay if you are planning for either of the two courses. So we cannot judge on the basis of this. Now let's talk about the government job opportunities. See, if there will be a vacancy, which is very rare, sad to say that. So if a food technology student is eligible for that post, then 99.999% chances will be there that a dairy technology student are also eligible. Even a biotechnology student are also eligible for the same post. Not an issue for the government jobs. If you are opting either of the two courses, not an issue. So now we are clear with the job opportunities. We are clear with the pay scale. We are clear with the government job opportunities also. Now, if you will ask me, hey Shreyansh, you tell me what you will select if you have to choose one, then definitely I will go for food technology. But always remember certain things we have to keep in mind, that both the courses are not the core domain. So please try to get a good college, try to graduate from a good college for the better future. Now you tell me in the comment section which one you will select if you have to select one. And if you have further questions, comment down below. And like this video if you're liking what you are seeing. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.